What did we get?
We are at Lotteria. It's our favourite takeaway place in Vietnam. And we've got a few burgers and chips and stuff just to show you guys. Here, the best thing ever. Go show them the deep fryers, babe.
Oh yeah. It says Henny Penny. Yummy! Yo, we got it! Finally! We made it up.
So one of the good things about Lotteria is you get these little sauce dishes and you can just fill them up. Unlimited sauces.
That's good. Okay, I'm gonna get straight into my shrimp burger. This is a really, really good one. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. I'll tip it upside down. Basically has like a little shrimp patty,
lettuce,
some lettuce and mayo. Oh, and there's some
spicy mayo.
Spicy mayo and normal mayo.
Yum.
Give it. That's good.
It's good.
That's tasty. Oh, you went dropped it. The shrimp tastes so fresh. I can't believe how fresh that tastes. The taste of like the spicy mayonnaise is like perfect. So we also have, what else did we get?
Chippies.
We got chips. We got a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. I'll open that one up now. Oh, sorry. I just dug in. I've got to shoot.
We're so hungry, by the way.
You got your patty, cheese, pickle, and lettuce. I love how they put lettuce in the cheeseburger. Because back home you don't get lettuce in your cheeseburger. And then ketchup and mustard. Just a really nice, yummy cheeseburger.
That's super tasty. How can they make something taste so good?
I don't know.
It's so simple.
It's a cool thing as well about most of the big chain restaurants. They're usually in like a big building, so you have like 3 or 4 stories
Yeah.
to sit in, which is pretty cool. Good. So the reason we decided to show Lotteria off, if we didn't cover it already, is pretty much tried like all of the fast foods here in Vietnam. So they've got KFC, which is standard, McDonald's, standard, Jollibee, which I think is a Filipino one, which is really good too. They got the Lotteria and is there one other one?
There's another one. Burger King? And Burger King. Yeah.
Burger King, which is the same as back home as well.
And Good Jacks, yeah.
The thing to note though, the chicken at KFC here is like 20 times better than the chicken back home, I thought.
Yeah, definitely. You know, so I got like just a normal chicken burger. I was expecting like just like a thin chicken patty. Oh my god, it was the most succulent chicken ever. And they cook everything fresh. Everything fresh, that's so cool.
You want more of this?
No, I'm good. Do you want more of this? Yay.
They're a big chain. They also have like hotels, shopping centres, and other stuff. There's a sign downstairs that I was reading. Now I open my chicken burger. Also, one thing to note about takeaway places here, like fast food, they're generally not very fast. They're like slower street food, a lot slower. So I think because they do things fresh.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the chicken burger. It's got like a spicy sauce, tomato, lettuce, and chicken. It's really good.
It is very
There you go. Wow.
It does taste nice.
It's like a sweet smoky sauce. Really yummy. Oh, the mayo.
Yeah.
Mayo as well, isn't it? A wiggle.
That's very
They do
tasty.
that one, don't they? They do that one, don't they? The wiggles.
They're very tasty and delicious.
So good. Good sauce.
Very sweet.
Big
Sweet and
cat for that.
smoky.
Oh, it's just so good. This one is.
I think it's a little bit too sweet and smoky for me for a savoury thing.
I don't know. I can't remember if this is my favourite or that one's my favourite. Because the Big Star Burger is so good.
Really good.
It's like their knockoff of a Big Mac, but they do it way better than a Big Mac.
Yeah.
They also on their menu have like rice and chicken and rice and beef and just like rice dishes and stuff. And just fried chicken, like just get like chicken drumsticks and stuff. Yeah.
So they also have my favourite ever, a taro pie. But I couldn't do it today. They're all run out and made me really sad. I was like, no, that's okay. But really, I'm actually sad.
So this is the Lotteria Big Mac, or the Big Star. You got your Big Mac sauce, some lettuce, cheese, meat, and then on the top side you have tomato and meat. Ooh, can you see it? There it is. I think there's pickles in here too.
Yeah. Doesn't look too good at the moment, but it's so tasty. Oh, you ate all the tomato in one go.
Oh, that one was.
Yeah.
It's a bit sloppy this one. It's usually not this one. There's a little burger queen. Fixing the burgers up.
There we go. It's a bit nicer.
So tasty. I wouldn't say it's like a must-have if you come to Vietnam, but if you're craving some fast food and you don't want to have, you know, the standard McDonald's, definitely try Lotteria out. Really good.
The Big Star was 81,000.
That was in a combo though.
Ah. The Big Star in a combo with the chips and the drink. This drink right here. That one was 81,000. The shrimp burger.
Twisted melody.
How good. So, where were we up to? The shrimp burger was 45,000. The chicken, spicy chicken?
It's chicken.
The chicken burger was 42. And the cheeseburger was 32. So all up, that comes to 200,000. That's pretty tasty.
I think there's tax in there too. I think it includes tax, so. That's really cool.
And so full. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed us eating Lotteria, which was amazing and very delicious, make sure you like and subscribe. We're up to 20 subscribers. Yay!
Yay!
So hopefully we can get to 50. So Ben said in our previous video, if we get to 50 subscribers, then we have to eat 50 cheeseburgers. After eating 1.5 burgers, I feel like I'm probably not going to reach 50.
I don't think we'll eat 50 cheeseburgers.
Maybe we make a mini cheeseburgers, like little cheeseburgers like this. We'll find a place. Anyway.
Maybe we can even cook our own, because we'll be in an
KL.
apartment in KL.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. What else?
Don't forget to love, live and explore.
Yes, that's right.
If you have any feedback for us, just leave it in the comments below. Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Christmas carols.
They also, I just want to give a piece of advice to all the guys out there. It's just written on this building over here, and I can't stop looking at it, so I'm just gonna.
What is it?
Words to live by, boys. Words to live by.
Oh! That's so bad!
Do you have any?